Hello friend, good morning. I'm Yogesh. So in the last class we had seen what is embedded system, how embedded system work, where you can get job, what all companies are working. Even we had seen how embedded device is working. We analyzed the mobile device, then we started programming. And in the last class even we made our first assembly program also. So if you have doubt why assembly is most powerful language, just believe on me and start learning it. This is the more closer language to hardware. So don't be in doubt. Just start learning assembly. We are not going to do so many things in assembly, but all basic concept if you understand in assembly, in higher language it will be very easy for you. You no need to have much stress. In higher language you're not able to see this thing, that's why we are doing assembly. So allow me to do this thing, believe on me and just start flowing. Today we are going to do the second assembly program. So the average of 5 number, in the last class we had done the in last class we had done addition of 2 numbers, so we will extend same program to the upper level. So let's see, we'll open the keel. So this is the keel. We already shown you how to make first project. If you not seen it, you can see it again here. You can go in project, new project, and then you can show like whatever name of your project you can give. Wherever you want to save, you can select the location and then just say save. Then it's asking for controller we are using 89S52. Guys, don't consider like this is 8051 or ARM or Keel or any microcontroller you will able to control once you understand what is embedded system, how it works. So don't think like it is 8051 or some other controller. We will have the other courses also. Same we will have for other ARM and other also we will have PIC also we will have the videos. But believe me, to understand those video you must have knowledge of all these things. Then only you will able to do that one in a very great way. If you just want to meager learning, then you can directly go there and do it. But if you want to have the real control over embedded system, then just go through it. Here we are, whatever we are doing, it will be best for you. Okay, so I select the controller 89S52. We don't want a startup file. Come here and then say add file. As I told you, we are making assembly program. Add new item, ASM file, and you can give name. So I'll say average and then just add. Fine. So let's start writing program. How to write program? You can say like org0. Then you can say now we want 5 number. So let's have 5 number in it. So we can say move a comma hash 0 0 2. Consider like I took this number and then I will in assembly language all you have to involve active register, that is like accumulator, that you have to involved in most of the operation. So that's why we first copied 0 2 in accumulator, and now we are moving this 0 2 to some register. So we are having R1 to R7, like that I had moved. Now in we got the 2 into we got 2 into R1. Same way I will take now, I just copy paste and like I'll copy into R2. So like maybe I'll copy 3 and then I'll paste it here. So now I'll copy maybe like say 05. This I'll copy into R3, then I'll move it to, and then like I will have maybe 06, and that I'll move into R4. Now I took 4 number input and I copied into registers, and I'll take another number which I'll keep it into accumulator only. So like consider I'll take it, maybe I'll take 8. Fine. So now we are having the all 5 number we are having. One is in R1, R2, R3, R4 and accumulator, like that we are having 5 number. Now start adding it. So how to add? In the previous program also we said add a comma R1. So whatever value of a, which is 8, So 8 plus R1, which is 2. So that will be added, and then like we have to add the other register as well. So how to add it? Just go. Now so the after addition result will come into accumulator only. So now it's already 2 register added. Then I'll add it R2, and then I'll go to next R3, then I'll go to next R4. So R1, R2, R3, R4, and accumulator was already having the 5th number. So now all addition of all 5 number we already got it. Now what we have to do is, since it is an average number, so we have to divide. In assembly, in this microcontroller, if you have to divide, you have to use the B register. So for that you have to say move B comma, you can write caps or small, that both is fine here. So you have to say B comma, so 5 number, so let's load the value 5. So now B is having 5. For divide, what is the operation? That operation is div AB, like that, no comma, nothing. You have to write directly AB like this, and then that's all. We after dividing this instruction, answer will come in A accumulator, and whatever remainder that will come into B. Okay. So now whatever answer we will move into some register. So like we can move into R0. So from accumulator our answer we are moving to R0, and then we'll say end, like that. So that's all. Our now program is complete. Average of 5 number. What I did, if you not understand, just I am taking 5 number into register. I am adding all 5 number and I am dividing by 5. That's all. Very simple. So let's save it, build it. This is how you have to build. So its assembly is done, linking is done, everything is complete. If you not understand what I am saying, linking assembly, no problem. We are going to have very detailed discussion on this. So now this we got the average of 5 number. Let's go for debugging. It's evolution mode, Keel, that is enough for your learning, so don't worry. Now we are in evolution. Now it is in debugging mode. Now you can see here carefully. Now your code is converted like this. If you are debugging, now we are in debug mode. How to enter into debug mode? This D you have to press. If you don't want to enter from here, so here also in debug option also you will get to debug. Now we came here. In the first program we had seen in a more detail, so this time I will not discuss in much detail, but you can still watch my first video on this. You will understand very much detail. So I'll move it forward. So I'll go step by step. You see here I am pressing this one. So now what happened? Accumulator got 2, and this 2 I am moving to R1 now. So you see R1 got that. Now again accumulator will get 3. Accumulator got 3, which I am moving into R2. Same, now accumulator got 5, which I am moving into R3. Accumulator got 6, which I am moving into R4. Now accumulator got 8. So now I am doing the addition. I am starting. So what I am adding first? A, which is 8, and R1, which is 2. So 8 plus 2, 10 means A. Okay, in hexadecimal. So we are having classes for digital electronics also. You can watch that videos. So now R2, 10 plus R2. So R2 value is currently 3. It will be 13. It's a D. Okay. Then we are adding the R3. R3 is 5. So 13 plus 5. It will be 18. So now it's done. And then again we will be, oh sorry, I executed 2 steps. So it done. All addition is done. This is in hexadecimal it is showing. So now if you want to see, I'll show you the, so it will be, just 1 minute. So how much it is? 2 plus 3, 5, and 5, 10, 10 and 10 and 6 and 8. So 10 and 8, 18, and 18 and 2, 20, and 24. So this is 24. 24 divided by 5. So if you 24 divide by 5, you will get around 4 something you will get. So Now I loaded in B I loaded 5. So now I am going to, using this instruction, I am going to divide. So 24 divided by 5. So which will be definitely giving 4 and some remainder. So you see 4 and some 4 remainder. So hope you understand, like this is how we calculate the average, and at the last what I am doing, accumulator I am moving into R0 to just for preserving. So this is my answer, and while the remainder 4 is here. So what we had done is we saved we saved 5 number, we took addition of them and we divide by 5. This is average of 5 number. Slowly we are moving forward to little more deeper into assembly language. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please like, comment and subscribe us. We are having a unique method, like you learn from here, and once you complete, we are having a India level examination also. Like if you are qualifying all those exams, we will support in the placement and other activity as well. Those things is under development. We will be updating you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay. Thank you.